So, good morning, everyone. I am Rachit Chawla, ex-student of Rahul sir and currently an alumni. So, I am here to share the journey. Before I start, congratulations to each one of you because I know it takes a lot of courage to finally admit that we don't know it all. I mean, when I joined, तो मेरे में तो बहुत arrogance था. I used to think like, I know it all. भले profits dip हो रहे हैं, turnover नीचे जा रही है, still I have this feeling कि भाई I know it all. कुछ भी हो जाए, मुझे कुछ learning वगैरह नहीं करनी है. And ultimately I am a troubleshooter. मुझे कहीं भी खड़ा कर दो, I will solve any problem, whatever may the case be. So congratulations to each one of you. And I think this program is very fast paced because in last 30 minutes sir ने 3 day का काम आपको बता दिया. तो the way we used to do this program was कि एक दिन जैसे account checklist है, we used to spend half entire day doing that in very detail, each and every column. So this one is a fast paced program. Maybe you guys have a better IQ than we had. Maybe that's the reason. But I'll share what I do. So I'm, as I said, Rachit Chawla. I stay with my parents at Vishal Enclave, and I have an 11 months old son and a beautiful wife, and we are into 3 divisions. So when I joined this course, I was only taking care of warehousing and logistics. I was running a company called CHC Logistics Private Limited, and ours was a 25 years old business. I joined business in 2008, तो 7 years का मेरा struggle था, and not that I wasn't hardworking or anything. I think I was missing out on a lot of things. So I was just taking care of that division and trying to increase the turnover, the profit every single day. कुछ हो नहीं रहा था, and that's when my brother-in-law introduced me to Mr. Rahul Jain. So I met Rahul Jain, and my brother-in-law started doing the course. I was still thinking कि करूँ या ना करूँ, basically because I thought कि मुझे कुछ learning करने की ज़रूरत है नहीं. मैं तो ऑलरेडी सीखा सिखाया हूँ, मुझे सारी चीज़ें पता है. आई हैव डन रियली ग्रेट इन एकेडमिक्स एंड आई वाज डूइंग रियली वेल इन कॉलेज. तो आई टुक इट फॉर ग्रांटेड कि अब बिजनेस में भी मुझे किसी कोचिंग की ज़रूरत नहीं है. बट द लाइफ वाज इन दैट ग्रेट. तो व्हेन आई मेट राहुल जी, उन्होंने काफ़ी सारी अनकन्वेंशनल चीज़ें मेरे से करवाई. एंड आई थिंक इन द फर्स्ट 2-3 सेशंस ओनली आई डिसाइडेड टू टेक अ वेरी बोल्ड स्टेप in terms of not doing something which I'm not liking. I mean, I think in the 3rd session changed my entire business model. From being a logistics and warehousing company, I decided that I'm not gonna take this company forward. I'm gonna start a separate vertical and do something which I really, really like, which is a passion for me. So I came up with a new business model. So I started a company called Finway Capital, where I am the only founder and CEO, and it's a bootstrap company. The journey has been really nice. Finally, I've got something to do which I really like and I love, and so that waking up next day is not a challenge. I mean, I just jump out of the bed because I am finally into something which I am really liking every single day. So what we are doing is we are in the business of empowering people financially. So right from lending to protection to investment advisory, we take a 360 degrees holistic view of each and every customer, and we sort of handhold that customer to ensure that he or she is able to create wealth as soon as they join us. So Finway Capital is fairly a 18 months old company, but we have been recognized by a number of big brands like Business World Magazine. They have voted us as India's fastest growing NBFC. Entrepreneur Magazine is something which they have voted. Last week Startup Convention Award हुआ था. They also voted us as the fastest growing NBFC. The growth has been really nice. We are seeing a growth of close to 7x. Profits double बोलते हैं, but I can assure you कि double तो हो ही जाएंगे. I mean, you just get the systems in place, you will have so much time with you, you will be able to enjoy your life, you will be able to earn way lot of money than you would have ever imagined. Relationships will improve, your health will improve, I mean, your quantum of knowledge will go out of the roof because, जैसे 14 month, 18 months back when I started doing this course, मैं book कभी नहीं पढ़ता था. मतलब I used to hate reading books. And then he made me choose one single book कि भाई तुम एक ना The One Thing पढ़ लो पहले, and then see कि if you are liking it or not. I read that book and it changed my life. That's how this new company came into existence. Since then, I make it a point कि every single month I at least start and finish one book. So, I mean, these are the unconventional ideas which he gave me, and it has actually changed the way I work, changed the way I think. Currently, in the morning only when I was coming here, I asked my wife कि do you realize मुझे कितना time हो गया since I actually went for the first class at Rahul Jain. She said कि 18 months. So I was amazed कि 18 months में इतनी सारी journey change हो गई है. You call it manifestation, maybe you call it I've started enjoying my work finally, or maybe his systems, his tools, his conviction. I mean, in 18 months, it's a 360 degrees change. My warehouse logistics company is growing at a rate of easily 8% month on month. I say 8% because he says कि yearly double करो. For me, 8% is a fairly small target. So I take monthly targets and we monitor that. So logistics warehousing has been taken care of automatically on autopilot, going really well. We created a rental arm because I wanted to create a passive income, and we had a lot of resources which were not being used. So we created that rental arm. In fact, the revenues from that rental arm is also growing close to 8 to 10% month on month. The NBFC business, I mean, he says walk with the giants. And honestly, in last 18 months, I have met a lot of people whom I dreamt of, having a meeting. And actually because of, I think his directions, I'm able to do that because they are approaching me. Ultimately, I have got into the business which I love. And so all the people, all the ecosystem, they have started chasing me rather than me running behind them. So I think the journey has been great, and I recommend all of you to, do a more elaborate course and implement whatever you guys can. In terms of every single aspect of your life, you will see tremendous results.
So have you shared about your manifestation experiences also? Or?
So have they done manifestation?
No, they haven't done manifestation.
They haven't done.
How's that running for you? I shared a little bit about manifestation.
Okay. So manifestation
you
is
shared your results that you've got?
To some extent, yes.
Okay, so now what are the results you've been getting? Now how's the autopilot going? How much time do you have to invest into operations?
Okay, so let me go back to 18 months back when I started. So my course used to be on Monday morning. And I told sir, मैंने कहा sir ये batch तो not possible. Monday morning, मतलब Monday morning I am the troubleshooter of the company. I have to literally stand in the office and ensure कि everything goes smooth. He said तो ये कब तक करोगे? मैंने कहा सर जब तक हूँ तब तक तो करना ही पड़ेगा. He said that's not, then no point doing this course because this course is about autopilot, not going to the office. So I don't know, probably it's manifestation or something कि I agreed to do the course on Monday morning, whereas Monday used to give me jitters. Really कि Sunday evening में मेरा मुंह है ना छोटा सा हो जाता था कि भाई कल Monday है और बस पूरा दिन मैंने ट्रबल शूटिंग करनी है. I used to feel scared waking up on Monday morning. But then I took the challenge and I said, okay sir, I'll do it. सर ने फर्स्ट फ्यू क्लासेस में ही मैनिफेस्टेशन इंट्रोड्यूस करवा दिया. सो मैनिफेस्टेशन आई थिंक इज द मोस्ट अमेजिंग टूल. आई मीन apart from wealth, it will give you so many things you can't imagine. I used to weigh 75 kilos and मेरे लिए 2 किलो कम करना बहुत बड़ा चैलेंज था जो मैं 10 सालों से सोच रहा था. And I am 65. I haven't done anything. I've just manifested. So it works like a science कह लो या it works, I don't know, it just makes your life so simple. So I mean I'm really grateful to him कि he introduced the concept of manifestation. I mean whenever he conducts any workshop, I always send my entire family because ultimately the quality of life increases. And you know, when you start living your days like it's, I mean, I'll ask you, if I ask people how are you, they say great, good. बैक में रॉकेट्स दिख रहे हैं चलते हुए, स्ट्रेस है, डेट है, ये है, वो है, but they say I'm good. But what I reply to people is I'm very happy because I'm genuinely very happy, and that is only because of manifestation. If I want to achieve anything, I don't take stress. I have a vision board in front of me. मैं ऑफिस में बैठा हूँ तो मेरे सामने एक विजन बोर्ड है. मैं घर पे बैठा हूँ, आई हैव अ विजन बोर्ड. जो भी फोटो मैं लगा दूंगा ना, वो मुझे उस डेट से पहले मिल जाएगा. इट इज दैट सिंपल.
Examples?
So I always wanted to buy a Bentley. That was like my dream car. And मतलब आज से नहीं 5 साल से थी. तो when my son was born, तो मैंने वो पिक्चर डाल दी कि भाई on his 6th month birthday, I'll buy that car. You won't believe, the same color, the same interior, out of the blue, someone approached me saying, ये distressed deal है, are you interested? So this is how it works. I mean, it is so magical कि whatever car you want, वो अच्छा, I'll give you one more example.
खरीदी कि नहीं?
खरीद ली, वो तो मतलब खरीदनी थी. I'll give you one more example. There's a magazine called Entrepreneur. So that was one magazine जो मेरी favorite थी, and I used to really look forward कि यार ये, and I was a subscriber to that magazine. They have started writing articles for me on regular basis. In fact, right now in June, they are having an award ceremony. We have been chosen again in the NBFC space as the fastest growing NBFC of India. And I mean, this is all manifestation and all sir's ideas and the way, I mean, you just don't judge him. Whatever he says, kar do. Even if you just do, I think 20% of the things he tells you, I am telling you, you will have great accomplishments in every single side of your life. Health से लेकर, मतलब अब wealth तो ऐसा हो गया है. I came to him thinking that I'll build a 5,000 crores empire, and my plan was 2030. अब मेरी टीम मेंबर हर रोज मेरे पास आते कह रहे सर ये तो प्लान ही फॉल्टेड है, ये क्या 2030, जिस हिसाब से हम चल रहे हैं दिस विल बी 2020. तो मतलब दिस इज द सॉर्ट ऑफ कन्विक्शन. सॉरी,
आई एम टेलिंग एवरीबॉडी एल्स. यस.
तो एंड ही टोल्ड मी कि पहले मैं क्या होता था, लाइक माय टीम यूज्ड टू बी जस्ट अ टीम. आई यूज्ड टू बी दिस एरोगेंट बॉस जो किसी को कुछ समझता नहीं है. द प्रॉब्लम वॉज कि मेरे डैड ने बहुत बिगाड़ा हुआ था मुझे. तो मतलब सीधा सैट ऑन दी ओनर्स चेयर विदाउट डूइंग एनी हार्ड वर्क, विदाउट एक्चुअली मेकिंग योर वे अपवर्ड, एंड देयर वाज नो इंटरेक्शन. मेरी स्ट्रैटेजीज टीम में इतना ज्यादा डिस्कनेक्ट था कि उन्होंने अपना रिज्यूमे naukri.com पे रखा हुआ है और मैंने अपनी एडवर्टाइजमेंट naukri.com पे रखी हुई है. ये 1 साल तक चलते रहा. Then finally took one session. He said to align your team members, and once your team members are aligned, ये सब है ना ड्रामेबाजी खत्म हो जाएगी. So that the team knows they have a bright future and you know that your organization has a bright future. So we did the team alignment and it has done wonders. I mean, मेरी अब टीम नहीं है, they are like brothers to me. मतलब इतना क्लोजनेस है हमारी टीम में कि we have one single goal, and that is to make this company at least $1 billion company in next 3-4 years to come, and we are doing everything possible to make that happen.
So what are the results you've been getting in terms of, let's say for example, autopilot, or growing your business, or growing the profits, or growing the revenue? What are the other things? So now, how's the autopilot before and after? What is the autopilot situation?
So as I said earlier, before doing autopilot, I was just handling one business vertical. That also not doing well. मतलब वो जितना inflation बढ़ता था उतना profit बढ़ जाता था हमारा. That also because we had loyal clients. But now I am taking care of 3 verticals all alone. And to be honest, I've got more time than I used to have before. मतलब अब मुझे अगर पहले तो कोई passion होता ही नहीं था. Earlier passion was to solve all the problems. Now I am doing a lot of things which are my passion. मतलब I am able to take out time. मुझे रेसिंग का शौक है, तो आई हैव एनरोल्ड माई सेल्फ फॉर स्पोर्ट्स कार रेसिंग. आई एम डूइंग दैट एज अ पैशन. The companies are doing well, and honestly I'll tell every one of you that you'll be surprised to know, but I think we are the biggest bottlenecks. I mean, believe you me, we are the biggest bottlenecks. क्योंकि हम है ना अपनी कंपनीज में बैठकर पूरा दिन तो रूल्स तोड़ते हैं और प्राइड लेते हैं कि देखो जी स्टाफ नहीं कर पाया, हमने रूल्स तोड़ दिया एंड कस्टमर इज हैप्पी. बट दैट्स द रॉन्ग माइंडसेट. My all three companies are totally professional now. Rules are rules, not meant to be broken. मेरा अगर रिश्तेदार भी आ जाता है ना, उसके लिए भी वही क्रेडिट पॉलिसी है जो मेरे कस्टमर के लिए क्रेडिट पॉलिसी है. No differences at all. तो ऑटो पायलट makes your business run very professionally, which is very important. And that is the way forward. If you want to grow, empower your team. Each and every member of your team needs to be empowered, and they are the people who will make it grow. You just have to strategize. Your work is not to solve problems. Your work is not to do anything which is unproductive. Just strategize, think. Autopilot, हाँ मतलब अभी it's very easy to say right now, but I know when I was doing the course for 8 months, it used to be a struggle कि पहले यहाँ पर सीखो, फिर टीम को अलाइन करो. But once you get over that phase, 8-9 months की hard work है, life is really amazing at the end of the tunnel. It is superb. Autopilots में ऐसा है कि you get MIS reports, you are able to chart out how the company is performing. Small tweakings you do, the team implements it, and the motivation level is totally, unparalleled to any other company. मेरी कंपनी में तो ऐसा हो गया है कि I just sit one day, that is Tuesdays, at my office. Only one day I operate for my NBFC business. Now everyone knows कि okay, Rachit Chawla will be sitting on Tuesday. भले वो PR वाला है, भले वो इंटरव्यू लेने वाला है, भले वो न्यूज़पेपर वाला है, मैगजीन वाला है, इतनी लंबी लाइन लगी होती है. People start taking मतलब कि भाई बैठे ही होंगे तो एक बाइट ले लेते हैं. It is like that. And 2 years back, I never thought I will be like this expert of my field. But now I am. Not because people are saying, because I have done every single thing from my hand. And I can assure you, 18 months, अगर 18 months तो बहुत दूर की बात है, invest 8-9 months, you will see a drastic change. And do what you like. Don't do to earn bread and butter and all this. वो अब नहीं चलता. Do what you like. And he gave me the confidence कि if your work becomes your passion, then sky is the limit. And that is true for my case. मुझे operations में बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं था. That's why I chose something which is really scalable. And right now I'm on autopilot and I'm standing here. मुझे कोई phone नहीं आ रहे. My EA is taking care of everything. मुझे पहले apprehension होती थी कि customers तो मेरे से ही बात करना चाहेंगे. अनफॉर्चुनेटली अब पता चल रहा है कि कस्टमर्स कह रहे हैं सर आप फोन मत उठाया करो, आप उठाते हो तो काम नहीं होता, ये उठाती है तो बेचारी काम कर देती है. वो ऐसी कन्विक्शन हो गई है.
And what about your growth?
Growth, sir, मतलब month on month we are like NBFC is at a 7x growth. But since I started it, so 7x मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा ज़्यादा ही है. But what the targets I have given is to my team कि 7x को sustain करो.
पहले for the last 3 years, what is your growth rate? Profits,
Inflation.
revenue.
So if inflation is 7%, my growth rate is 7%.
अब अभी क्या हो रहा है?
It's at 7x. Yeah, 7 times. So last year we closed 31st March at a figure which is 7x. So that's what I'm
7x नहीं समझ
saying.
में आया.
Sorry?
7x नहीं समझ में आया.
अगर मेरा profit x था, तो we closed 31st March at 7x.
So
7 गुना, 7 times.
700% growth in
Yes.
top line.
Yes.
Bottom line.
Not top line, bottom line, bottom line.
Awesome.
So, one more thing which sir always says, जो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, मैं पहले turnover के पीछे भागता था. अब my mindset has changed to bottom line. I don't care about the turnover. Turnover ऊपर है, नीचे है, it doesn't matter to me. The only thing matters to me is profit, and that is our job. Our job is not to solve problems. Our job is to earn profit and to create wealth, and not only for yourself, for each and every team member. मैं अपने टीम मेंबर्स को जितनी सैलरी पे उन्हें फिक्स करता हूँ उससे एक्स्ट्रा दे रहा हूँ. That's because I am getting incredible results. So I have to ensure each one of them creates wealth with me. Rather than, मतलब obviously sir has given me tools also, amazing tools कि अगर कोई जाता भी है team member, तो we have YouTube training sessions. मतलब for me replaceability is like this. मतलब in 1 second I can replace any team member, but that is not why, that is not empowering. Empowering means you sort of handhold that person and take him to the journey, to the end result where they are able to have a fulfilled life. So I am on that journey and all thanks to him. मतलब मेरे mindset, मेरी family कहती है कि यार मतलब 18 months में ये क्या हुआ है? This is not like, this is very quick. This is a very quick turnaround. But yes, that those 8-9 months were a lot of hard work, a lot of thinking, lot of strategizing. So 5 pillars हो गए इनके?
हाँ.
Okay, so I mean 20% जो मैंने कहा ना कि you focus on 20% things which will give you maximum amount of result, वो 5 pillars है. Do out of office. I strongly recommend. जो ऑफिस में बैठकर नहीं होएगा ना वो आउट ऑफ ऑफिस में हो जाएगा. मतलब इट इज द बेस्ट टेक्निक ही हैज गिवन. एंड 18 months बैक वो मुझे मजाक लगता था कि ये आउट ऑफ ऑफिस क्या, ऑफिस में बैठूंगा ना, मतलब कन्वेंशनल थिंकिंग है ना कि भाई लोग क्या कहेंगे कि पूरा दिन कॉफी शॉप में बैठे रहता है. अभी भी लोग यही कहते हैं कि आई डोंट अंडरस्टैंड ये कैसे काम कर रहा है, ही इज ऑलवेज सिटिंग एट अ कॉफी शॉप. But I am telling you, the growth lies there. The growth lies in strategy, not in operations. So out of office, executive meeting day, as I said, Tuesdays मेरा EM होता है. EA, that I am doing properly. 4 AM sir कहते हैं, मेरे से 4 AM अभी तक हुआ नहीं है. But I am trying, मतलब I am doing 8 AM for sure. So these building blocks are.
4 AM नहीं पता, चुप रह तू.
नहीं होता. So I remember when I started my journey with Rahul sir, so there were 2-3 people who had come to share their journey. Mr. Praveen Khandelwal, Jitender. You know, when they came, I said, wow, they are so clear in their head. They are doing so well. Now they are my friends. मतलब they are the only friends now. मेरा पूरा circle ही change हो गया. Because you want to basically spend your time with like-minded people. You want to spend your time with people who will ultimately help you grow your business. My entire friend circle has changed. My entire lifestyle has changed. मैं पहले रात को लेट सोता था, सुबह लेट उठता था. Now I ensure 8 AM I am out of the house. My laptop is switched on and it gives you a jump start. It is that amazing.
Brilliant, very nice. What's your age? आपकी उम्र क्या है?
Sorry?
How old are you?
30.
Okay, so you did this program at 28.
28, and in fact, my first class I got to know my wife is expecting. तो I was confused कि मैं करूँ ना करूँ. It's a big challenge, but she really supported me. And वो पूरी journey ऐसी थी when I was blessed with a baby. मैं hospital में था and sir की मैं video देख रहा था. My wife was sleeping. उसी के साथ में बेड पे वीडियो देख रहा हूँ, नोट्स ले रहा हूँ. Because once you start that 8 months program and you start to see results in no time, so you don't want to miss out on it. And actually congratulations to each one of you कि आप यहाँ तक आ गए हो. I used to be so arrogant कि मुझे कौन सिखाएगा, कौन आ गया मुझे सिखाने वाला, कि मैं यहाँ तक आने में मुझे शर्म आ रही थी. So since you guys have come till here, it's a big achievement. I mean, there should be hunger to learn every single day. That's what I feel.
Brilliant. So what we'll do is, tea is ready? Okay, so what we'll do is, Rachit is going to be with us. I had requested him to keep this short because yesterday the sharings went very long. Because once we get into figures and numbers, it suddenly explodes. So you've got a sense of that. He's going to be with us in the tea break. So let's go for a short tea break today, short like short, and come back. And thank you so much, Rachit, for sharing your experiences.
Thank you, sir.